I recall the great white whale of the Lynx chip development being getting the target power consumption both for leakage and active power. This was a huge effort improving our estimation models and getting them to correlate with the Panther part, the first 40 nanometer part, and optimizing our designs, which ended up in us reworking key architectures of the chip right into the last quarter before the PG. It was a big investment in innovation and a fair bit of heartburn to boot, but so worth the wait.
I think Lynx is a really great part because it brought the team together in a very unique way.
Most rewarding was being a part of the vision that was laid out several years ago, and then combining creativity and perseverance and teamwork, we were able to overcome the many challenges that the 40 nanometer process presented.
ESD was definitely the most difficult part of the BGM220S development. We measured more than 100 samples before we passed the criteria for you.
Just wanted to say a big thank you to the team who designed, enabled, and launched Lynx to the market. It's a great device, great architecture. We're seeing a significant traction at customers and lots of interest. We're working as hard as we can on bringing the resulting revenue to Silicon Labs. Thank you again.
As a PTE, I spent months working on the Lynx test program, and the most memorable part of that experience for me was actually going to do our offshore transfer in Taiwan to make sure that our package test program was ready to go for production. But it was made even more memorable by the fact that I was able to go with my then fiance, now wife, to get to meet a bunch of our extended family.
The most challenging part for me during this project was to make sure that security of the device meets the satisfactory criteria, and virtual secure element that's used in Lynx is now free of the nasty bugs, and customers can gain a confidence in the device they use.
The most challenging and the most rewarding part of working with Lynx was working with developers and QA to document any issues we saw with Lynx working with Studio and the SDK. As the product matured, we were able to see real results and make sure that every aspect of our new radio chip was perfect for the customer.
Lynx is a real developer experience revolution. It was good to see the focus, the massive cross-functional collaboration, and obviously the great result. Thanks everyone, great achievement.
As a Zigbee SQA engineer, I found the beauty of Lynx when I was testing Zigbee sleeping-in device. The power consumption when it's in sleep mode is much lower than our previous 512 KB boards.
How Lynx is going to make my life better. In order to check if my dryer is done drying my laundry, I gotta walk all the way across the house, go out the front door. If only there was a way to get a notification on my phone that it's done.
Good evening, Mark Orchard-Webb with the Americas Regional Application Team. We've had some customers who have requested power measurements for the Lynx device in various use case scenarios. Thank you.
I remember in August of 2018, when Ellen told the team we will push the PG to December so that we can reduce the power in Lynx. This was the right decision and a big challenge. We had only 2 months to take an idea for a lower power IFADC and complete its design cycle. This put a lot of pressure on the team, and it was awesome to see their focus and determination to get it done.
So I have a lot of fantastic memories from the Lynx program, but one of them has to be above all, and that has to do with the NPI we presented to Tyson. That was my very first executive NPI, right after CES, so just to get things to be excited about. And we were only given 1 out of the percent and could not exceed the schedule. Well, 45 minutes into the meeting, we're still on slide number 1.
Hey, it's Mitch with Platform and MCU Apps here. I just wanted to let you know that our team was super proud to contribute to a successful Lynx launch by providing over 70 peripheral examples to get our customers developing as quickly and easily as possible with Lynx. Yeah!
I truly believe that the passion is the key for success. Lynx is product of passion, all the best people in our company, defining the part, engineers, software people, marketers, were just really wanted to make a part that will nail the market. So it became one, and so it will shine with the customers.
Yeah, it really kicks some butt.
One of the most challenging and rewarding things about Lynx has been how it shaped V5 and UC-UP, because that's one of the huge things that we were trying to do is to improve the Bluetooth user experience. And so I'd find myself installing Staging Builder Studio and using the Bluetooth app, and I'd be going through some use case, it would blow up, and I'd go back to someone on the team and say, hey, did you know about this? How can we fix this? And so being a part of that process and watching this tool come together in something that's as great as we have now has really been rewarding.
I'm so glad to join this celebration. From the beginning, we knew that Lynx has to win BLE market and be successful in ESL applications. The MPI1 meeting was memorable to me. It was in front of Tyson and his staffs.
I'll never let you see the way the Lynx device is hunting me. The socket was bad and it drove me all mad when I tested it hard. I need another coffee shot.
Hey everybody, this is Matt Johnson, and I'm sorry I can't be there with you today, but I'm there with you in spirit and you're in absolutely great hands. I just want to congratulate everyone on Lynx. It's absolutely amazing, the response that we've gotten to that product, and it's exactly what we set out to do, to create the best solution in the space and to have this type of impact on not only the industry, but also us as a company. I just want to say thank you and congratulations, and have a great time today in celebrating this huge milestone. See you soon.